All right, let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with story problems, kind of similar to what we did on yesterday. Okay, so could you create me a some more story problem that equals to 12? That equals to 12. So you figure out the facts. You figure out the facts. It has to equal to 12. Still the best way you can. My answer. All right, let's hear some of your story problems equaling to 12. Okay, Cairo. I had 10 candies. I bought 2 more. 10 plus 2 equals 12. That's some more though. That does equal 12, but it was some more. Okay, Brayley. She had how many at first? That is a some more, but it doesn't equal to 12. Okay. Asa?
Sam's dog had 6 bones. His owner bought him 6 more bones. 6 plus 6 equals 12.
He has 6 bones. His owner gave him 6 more. 6 plus 6 is 12. Good. All right, let's do a some went away. Your answer has to equal 5. Some went away. Your answer has to equal 5. Or a some went away. All right, let's share some of our some went away. Okay, Micah, it has to equal to 5.
I had 15 apples. I sold 10 apples.
I have 15 apples. I sold 10 apples. 15 minus 10 equals 5. Okay, Elijah?
I had 5 nuts. I lost 5 more. 5 minus 0 equals.
I had 5 and I didn't lose any.
Oh.
5 minus 0 is 5. Cairo?
There were 3 pieces of trash on the floor. I picked up 5 pieces of trash.
Okay, there were 10 pieces of trash on the floor. I picked up 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, Kendall? She has 7 books and she lost 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, and David? I said not to use people's names in here. I already said that several times.
10 minus 5 is 5.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and practice these points. Okay, so I have 8 dimes and 9 pennies. How much money would that be? Draw it out. 8 dimes, 9 pennies. 8 dimes, 9 pennies. Dime is worth 10, a penny is worth 1. Yes?
When we're finishing our story, do we, at the end of the 10th sentence, do we put something about us going to bed?
You can, that's fine.
Okay.
Are you almost done?
I'm on sentence 9.
Okay. Put your hand up to one. I'm not something. All right, everybody, let me know when you're done so that we can start our phonics. All right, 8 dimes, 9 pennies. How much money would that be, Kendall? 89 cents. 89 cents. All right, next one, we have 7 dimes, 4 nickels. 7 dimes and 4 nickels. A nickel is worth 5. So when you're counting, just be careful. A nickel, 7 dimes, 4 nickels.
Oh no, 7 dimes, 4 nickels? Not hard. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3. Yeah, of course. It's so close, I hope. Yeah,
Yeah, but I'm not.
9, 1. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh, I didn't say
Can you please stop? Please stop. All right, 7
I did.
7 dimes and 4 nickels. How much, Braylon? 90 cents. So we have 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 90 cents. Okay, next one. This is a little more. So we have 2 dimes, 4 nickels, 8 pennies. 2 dimes, 4 nickels, and 8 pennies. All right, so for 2 dimes, how much money would it be?
48 cents. It's
48 cents? No, 48. Anybody has something different from 48? Kendall? 42? Okay. Yes, 48. Sorry, I was counting wrong. 48 cents.
Yep.
Yes, 48. I was counting the nickels and dimes wrong. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then 48. Okay, let's do our next one. So this is our quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1. So here we have 11 quarters. 11 quarters. All right, 11 quarters, how much? Anybody has an amount? 11 quarters would equal to, Asa, what you have?
$2.75.
$2.75. Yes. Okay, next one. 15 quarters. Arrow, good. $15. How much? What you got?
$4.25.
No, not $4. Too much. You must have drew too many. $3.75. $3.75. All right, and then our last one, 7 quarters. This is our last one.
Finally.
Okay.
Tyler and Fred. Chilies. Next,
Bonfire, okay. And then our last one. Dennis, back to you.
Wait, we did?
Dennis, sounds. UN and you are, what's the word?
Oh my god, this thing is so deep.
Uncurl. All right, good guys. That's super fine. That's what I wanted to go over. Go ahead and get out your reading book, page 8, and your reading, page 8. Okay. Check down there. It might be down there. All right, 7 quarters. 7 quarters. How much would that be? $1.75.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
All right, awesome. All right, go ahead and get out your letters book, guys. Cursive letters. We'll work on that page a little bit. Huh? No, I said down there. Yeah. Please don't do that. Okay, we're on page 97.
I'm good on that.
Reading what? Homes, not arms, it's home. No, I actually think I put
Oh my gosh.
no, we're gonna 12. Page 12, guys. Second grade. You're reading page 12, not 8. Page 12 in your reading. Let me see in the writing.
Oh my gosh.
Can you go raise your hand?
Come on, 12. Let's start. Oh, yes, Still shy. Copy another doctor. Like, come on. Copy another.
Are you finished, Asa?
Cold or case.
Yep. All right, guys, let's go ahead and practice our sentences for today.
Bushel of good apples or
All right, so these are your sentences today. I'll go ahead and read them. So number 1, it says, my dad and I went to Brown Park to play. Pay attention to your proper nouns. Number 2, next Sunday is Thanksgiving. And number 3, Tyler and Fred went to Chili's. Let me change that from Sunday to Thursday because Thanksgiving is on a Thursday. I don't know why I put Sunday. Okay, so look at your proper nouns. Take your time.
Why does it says my dad up? Over.
It's not, it's the A.
A.
Oh, and I.
Think of from. That's the one thing on the two.
All right, y'all can go ahead and begin. And go over our sentences. All right, number one, my dad and I went to Brown Park to play. How would I write this sentence the correct way? Okay. Capitalize first letter M. Mm-mm. That is not a proper noun. Mm-mm. All right, let's help him out a little bit. Brayley. Yes, but there's something before that. Capitalize I. Yes, then we capitalize B in Brown. Yes, and P, guys, remember, yesterday I said that when it's two separate words, you still have to capitalize it. Brown Park is the whole name of the proper noun. Brown Park. Okay. Number two, next Thursday is Thanksgiving. How would I write that correct? Capitalize first letter N. T in Thursday. T in Thanksgiving, and then finish with the period. Number three, Tyler and Fred went to Chili's. How would I write that one correct?
Capitalize the T in Tyler.
Capitalize T in Tyler.
F in Fred.
F in Fred.
C in Chili's.
The C in Chili's. How do I finish it?
With a dot.
The period. Good.
Dot.
All right. Get back. All right, let's move on to our phonics lesson. Phonics. 1 sec. All right, let's cover a couple of things on the board. Stay for phonics. We'll just review some things on the board. All right, so opposites. Remember, an opposite is when you have two things that are totally different from one another. If you're not doing this one thing, then you're doing the other thing. They are opposites. So let's look at it. We have off. What will be the opposite of off, Cairo? On. Up. What will be the opposite of up? The opposite of up, Asa?
Down.
Down, and then the opposite of back. If I'm not going back, then I'm going forward. Opposite of back is forward, or you can say front. Either one is fine. All right, contractions. When we have two small words that we put together to make into one big word, we'll take out some letters, put an apostrophe in place of that. Let's contract some of these words. So you will, if I contract you will, what does it become? You'll. We take out W-I, so Y-O-U apostrophe L-L. Did not. If I contract did not, it becomes didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T. We take out the O. And we are, we contract we are, it becomes we're. We take out the A and it becomes W-E apostrophe R-E. We're. Okay? All right, let's turn happy into happiest. What's my rule I have to follow before turning happy into happiest? Spell it out for me, Asa. How would I write happy into happiest?
H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T.
H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T. Remember, you take off the Y, turn it into an I, then you add your suffix. Pretty into prettier. Pretty into prettier. Kyra, how would I write that?
E-I-E-R.
P-R-I-T-T-I-E-R. Take off the Y, turn into I. And cloudy into cloudiest. Cloudy into cloudiest. Brayley, how would I write that? Yep, take off the Y, turn it into I. Good. So just remember that's our new rule. All right, let's practice some ABC order. I have 2 words. So I have snow and rain. Remember, ABC order, we look at the first letter. Which one would go first out of snow and rain? Which one would go first? Snow and rain.
Rain.
Rain. R comes before S, so that will be first. Dog and cat. Which one would go first out of dog and cat? Which one would go first? Yes, C, cat. And then smoke and smell. Now, this one's a little tricky because they have the same first and the same second letter. So how would I figure out which one goes first out of smoke and smell? Which one would go first?
The third letter.
Smell. We look at that third letter, which is E and O, and E would come first before O. Good. Awesome. All right, so that's it for our phonics. I did forget to go up here on the board with math. Let's go ahead and finish that real quick so I can finish the rest of our Zoom. All right, so 212. Where would I go from 212?
32,
22, 32,
42,
52, 62. Okay, 4, 14.
24, 34, 54, 44, 44.
Good. All right, looking at the triangle, how many sides and angles does a triangle have? How many sides and angles does a triangle have? 3. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And then the angles are the corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. A square, how many sides and angles does a square have?
4.
Square.
4.
4. We have 4 sides, meaning 4 lines it takes to make the shape, and then 4 angles. 1, 2, 3.
So that's 44, 32.
All right, awesome.
44.
All right, 8. So that's it. I'll see you this afternoon for science, social studies, and language. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.